So in order to enhance the application of biomedical images, we are having this tool called Orange tool, and this Orange tool will have so many widgets. Okay, so on this left hand side we are moving these widgets like file, CSV file, dataset, SQL table, and this paint data, data info, and so many widgets are there in order to implement machine learning algorithm, data science algorithm without programming. We don't need any kind of programming during recognition, classification, given objects, assigned to prescribed every value. Like suppose someone want to increase means someone want to chest CT, MRI, retinal therapy, computed tomography, and so on. What we will do, we just keep this widget here like file. We can import the data set. It will give the arrow, like this one is arrow, and it will give the suggestion also, like data table, what kind of data table you want to use. Okay, I want to use this data table, and we can import the data means which is already existing inside the this software, Orange software. Spatial length, space, sepal length, sepal width. This is the iris data, and we can import the iris data in the numerical or feature categorical format. Okay, so once you choose this feature or target data, and what you can do, you just apply, and it will import entire data to the file. Okay, then it will inherit by the data table, and we can see that in the data table also the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and all these are inherited. Okay, and what we will do, we can export this data table using this data table here also. Okay, there might be two data table for a single file. We just connect the data table here. Okay, right? But we cannot put file in front of data table, because it will not give us several path. Means you can give something and some another widget, some another tool, but you cannot give the file to data table, because it's not having the file is not having the data from data table itself, whereas data table is getting the data from file every time. Okay, so this is, I'm going to delete this node, and we can have the means, like suppose from this side you can have the one more thing. Select, suppose I want to add this column, SQL data is there, plot data, random data, and so on. Okay, so you can have the paint data. What does it mean? We can create our own data set. This is the original file which we have inherited from iris data set. We can create one more files, more data set. Okay, so second class, that is represented by red color, it is having this color. Green color again is having data set, and so on. Okay, so using this data set, we are having visualization also. What kind of visualization you want to have? This is the bar plot. Okay, so this data set is going to this bar plot, and we can have this bar plot, which previously we had to code for Python code, and although Python code is not very much long, but it's going to have graphical user interface. Okay, next you can have the scatter plot. For the same, you just connect this data table, and you can have the scatter plot as well. Okay, we can have the violent plot as well. So this is the connection which is going to Boolean plot, we can have the Boolean plot. Suppose someone want to Venn diagram or the heat map, we can use the same data set to represent the heat map for the iris data. This is the heat map. In order to show the low, high, yellow, green, yellow, magenta, and so on, so many variety of colors are there in order to represent your data in machine learning and data science. Okay. Further, we can have the model of different kind of model like trees. We can have tree. I'm going to delete this node from this side, and this tree, this data is going to this tree, and it will have name like any name, and it will move to the tree side. Okay. Suppose I want to use this SVM algorithm. So this as SVM algorithm will also be used for the same data. We can show the SVM algorithm. Okay. Then we can have the Navier algorithm. Okay. So this is the representation for Navier algorithm. Okay. And from this side we can have the Python or tree viewer. Okay. So it will show the tree viewer of the entire data set. So here we can have the tree viewer. You can insert in your MTech thesis, you can insert your PhD thesis, outlier, and so on. So SVM also we can have the data table, data view, data info, and so many things are there. Okay. One more thing is there, logistic regression. You can have the logistic regression for this data table as well. So this will plot the data, and suppose I am going to have this point data and so on, pivot data, so it will show the and so on correlations as well. Okay. One more thing, here we can have test and score for the entire data. So it will show the AOC, IOC, it show the data to data and feature to data set, correlation to perceptron, and so on. Okay. So it will inherit the data set. It is not going to connect anyhow because it is requiring the data set. Okay. So I'm going to plot this test and score, and it will show the AUC CA F1 precision if you have given earlier. Okay. So this is the live curve. Now in model we can say very good example. We are having linear means neural network as well. You can choose the different parameters. The ReLU activation function is there, identity function, logistic function is there, and 10H, and so many functions are there in order to increase the regularization and network and so on. Okay. So we can have you can evaluate the different when we go to the unsupervised section, we are having distance file. Means suppose we want to have the distance vector, I'll introduce in the next video of this section. So we can have the self organization also. Suppose I am removing this node from this side, and I am going to import this self organization. It will show very beautiful means distribution of the object of the class or of the PCA information and so on. So one more thing you can add on, add on so many things like add on image analytical tool, add on image data set, and so on. So you can add the file and so on. So there are so many things you can add on in this section, like there are image analytical tool which is going to use image processing. someone is interested to pursue the thesis in image processing, they can go for image analytical add-ons. We can add the feature from this on the left hand side as well. Thank you.